What's up? Did you know that you can increase the megapixel resolution on any camera? This is how it works. Concentrate. Easy. Today I'll show you how to upscale your photos while maintaining sharp edges and color accuracy. It's a relatively new feature in Lightroom, which is called super resolution, and it is very simple. First, grab your computer and make sure you got a new version of Lightroom installed. Then simply open up a raw image and then right click and select Enhance. This will open up a preview window where you can access this really cool feature. Now you just have to tick the super resolution box right here and hit the Enhance button. Boom, easy. Now Lightroom works its magic and will perform like some machine learning, interpolation, kind of algorithm, funky kind of thing, and that will basically double your image size. This might take a few minutes depending on how fast your computer is, and keep in mind that not every image might be suited equally, so it is better to have somewhat of a high resolution and high quality image to begin with. That's basically it. Now it's time to enjoy your high megapixel image, and I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.